and Mr. Abhishek Srivastava, Cluster Business Head. So I will request Abhishek sir to take you through a short presentation enumerating the features of the product that we are launching today.
Thanks a lot, Varun sir. So, on behalf of Aakash, I welcome all of you. Just a brief introduction about Aakash. It's all started in year 1988 under the vision of respected CMD sir, Mr. J.C. Chaudhary. He started this Aakash with just 12 students at Delhi and in year 1988. Then we added our engineering wing in 2007 and then foundation wing in 2009. So from last 32 years, we are the leading coaching institute who are supporting our students for the preparation of different types of competitive examinations like medical through via NEET, engineering mains and advanced, different types of NTSC, Olympiads, as well as our schools and board examination. So as you all know, last year we collaborated with Byju's at Tech Giant. So with the amalgamation, we have the expertise of offline and they have the expertise of online. So with the both amalgamation of online and offline, so this is a complete boon to all of our students. So we are producing very good results as far as Goa is concerned. So last year, a total of 42 candidates have selected in GMC, Government Medical College Goa, more than 12 selection in the NTSC, and of course, Ayush S. Prabhu, last year JEE Main State topper was from Aakash only. So there is a legacy and tradition of excellent result from Aakash, from Goa state itself. So this year also we have the result of class 10th and class 12th Goa board. So we have an excellent result. As state has not published the marks of toppers, but the best reported marks was from Aakash itself. So we are expecting the state topper for both the classes 10th and 12th are from Aakash itself. Also, the NEET result is supposed to be published by next 10 days. So we are hoping a very good result this time also. So we are here for the launch of Audio Prep. So this is an innovative and unique product which we are going to offer to our students. This is actually an audio book which will podcast all our essence, all our contents of study packages and different type of things to our student. So here is a brief PPT. Can you please show us? So as I have already mentioned, AudioPrep is an innovative app and web-based audiobooks which contains the podcast of all our contents and which will provide incredibly useful for students aspiring to succeed in those students who have chosen to appear in either medical or board examination. So this product is for now exclusive for NEET for 11th and 12th, which contains physics, chemistry, botany and geology subject. Maybe our next question. So what are the benefits? The first one is it's multi-sensory learning. So student, till now what happens, students just use their eyes and minds to focus what is written in their books. So now they can listen also and they can sync this to their eye visualization. So this is multi-sensory, reduces screen time, the great I can say a support to our students nowadays. Due to online classes, they have to be in front of a screen for a long time. So it can reduce their screen timing also. So space utilization and convenience. So as this is an podcast channel, so they can use this at any forum, at any point of time, during traveling, at home, during playground, or at anywhere they want. So it contains high quality audio content, a good modulation of sound, and excellent pronunciation and all those things. So that student can feel this audio that's just like they are listening live to any of our faculties. Interactive nitty-gritty. So this is completely based on NEET preparation, keeping focus what type of question has been asked in our NEET examinations. Powerful mnemonics. All of you know mnemonics has a great value as far as learning is concerned. So we have elaborated explanation of diagrams, tables and flowcharts, especially as biology and chemistry. A lot of diagrams has been asked, a lot of diagram has been given to students, and they are very conceptual. So AudioPrep will be useful for learning all those diagrams, tables and flowcharts. Quick quizzes. So we have incorporated quick quizzes based on this podcast. So after each and every topic which has been explained during the podcast, we have incorporated some of quizzes. Quick recap. So this is मतलब something which I found very useful. So a chapter requires 3-4 days time to prepare, and after that, in the audio prefix we have given a features that the whole chapter will be summarized in 4 to 5 minutes in the form of podcast. So this is a very useful, and at last this is content builder having a formula chart summarized at one place, so student can listen all the formulas, all the concepts which have been incorporated in that chapter. So we have here the launch video of AudiPrep. Please. So with me we have Mr. Arshad Harun. He is Assistant Director of both the Goa branches. So I would like to hear from you about our business expansion plan at Goa for the next year.
Currently, we are having 2 branches at Goa. One of it is located at Panjim branch and the other one is located at Margaon branch. And also at the same time we are having some tie-ups at 3 locations. One is at St. Petrus, Mapsa and GVM Ponda, and we are running one extension center at Vasco also. We are also looking forward to have more centers. We are planning to have more centers at further faraway locations. We will be telling you later on. We are finalizing all the locations.
So it's in a very early, early stage, but we are planning to have an extension center near Thiven, Upsix.
Yes.
So
And
we are planning.
Saki also we are thinking about having one extension center. So we are trying to cover nearly all the Goa in coming future, so that we can cater to the requirements of all the students of Goa, whether they are at very far away locations in Goa or whether they are very close to the capital.
So any questions?
मोस्टली अभी आपके पास 2 ब्रांच चल रहे हैं. ये जो और वो ये बुक जो लॉन्च किया आपने, ये स्टूडेंट के लिए कितना फायदेमंद रहेगा?
Okay, so
बिकॉज आपका एक ही ओर से इंडोर क्लास भी चालू है, कोचिंग भी चालू है, तो एडवांस में इसका क्या इफेक्ट हो रहा होने वाला है?
So to answer Sir's question, हमारा जो भी यूएसपी अभी तक रहा है ऑफलाइन एक्सपर्टीज में, वो एज इट इज कंटिन्यू है. उसमें हमने कुछ माइनस नहीं करा है. दिस इज एन एड ऑन सर्विस. अभी तक क्या होता था कि अगर बच्चे को आकाश से कोई भी सर्विस लेनी है तो उसे हमारे क्लासरूम में आना पड़ता था, या उसके पास एक डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म था, हमारा iTutor प्लेटफॉर्म, जहाँ से वो विजुअलाइज कर सारी चीजों को देख सकता था और वहाँ पर जो भी कंटेंट है उसका एक्सेस उसे मिल सकता था. बट दिस विल बी अ यूनिक ऑफरिंग फ्रॉम आकाश for all our internal students. Now they can listen all the concept, all the topics, all what is written in our study package at their ease. अगर उन्हें घर पर भी सुनना है, कहीं ट्रैवल करते हुए सुनना है, वो इस ऑडियो, दिस इज अ सिंपल पॉडकास्ट लाइक यू लिसन टू FM रेडियो, सो वो इस सारे कंटेंट, सारे डिलीवरी को हेडफोन लगाकर या घर के किसी कॉर्नर पर या कहीं पर भी मतलब ये जो सर्विस है इसका सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट फीचर्स अगर मैं बताऊं, जो अभी एक्सप्लेन किया वो तो था ही कि ये जितना भी हमारा एसेंस है, जो ऑफलाइन एसेंस है, उसको हमने पॉडकास्ट के फॉर्म में ऑडियो डिलीवरी करने की कोशिश की है। इसके अलावा जो इसका एक्सेस है, मतलब जो बच्चा इसको कभी भी किसी भी समय घर पर रहकर कहीं पर भी इसको एक्सेस कर सकता है, रिपीट कर सकता है कंसेप्ट को, टेस्ट दे सकता है, फॉर्मूला रिवाइज कर सकता है, चैप्टर रिवाइज कर सकता है। सो अब उसके हाथ में मैं बोलूंगा कि थ्रू दिस फीचर नाउ आकाश इज एट देयर होम ऑल्सो। वो घर पर रहकर भी आकाश के सारे सर्विसेज का बेनिफिट ले सकते हैं।
गोवा में कितने स्टूडेंट्स आपसे है आपके संस्था?
And what is the passing percentage?
Sir, if I will talk about board examination, so it's almost 100% passing percentage. But as you know, the structure of competitive examination, so whether it is NEET or JEE Main or Advanced, so last year also out of 68 general seats, if I am not wrong, GMC, 42 were Akasian, and this year also we are expecting this number to be crossed by 50. So, मतलब almost all the government seats are being captured by Akasian set this year. As far as engineering is concerned, so as I have already mentioned, कि Ayush S. Prabhu was the state topper and 5 of our students has मतलब joined the prestigious IITs, and so this percentage, I think if I will calculate from the total number of classroom student to the selection ratio, so it would be more than 15 to 20% range.
जेईई में आईआईटी में आकाश के कितने स्टूडेंट गए हैं गोवा से अभी तक?
अभी तो जस्ट मेंस हुआ है, सो मेंस के रिजल्ट के बाद एडवांस
अभी तो इसके पहले
लास्ट ईयर की मैं बात करूं तो टोटल 5 स्टूडेंट जो कि आईआईटीज में गए थे।
नीट की कट ऑफ कितनी होगी?
सर इट डिपेंड्स की रिजल्ट मतलब क्योंकि इस बार का जो क्वेश्चन है सर उसमें 2-3 क्वेश्चन कंट्रोवर्शियल है, तो नीट का आंसर की जब तक एंट्री नहीं पब्लिश कर पाएगा हमें कट ऑफ के बारे में सेंस करना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा। बट अगेन बेस्ड ऑन आवर पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस, जो अगर गोवा में जीएमसी चाहिए तो इट वुड बी अराउंड 500 to 550 की इन द रेंज इन फर्स्ट राउंड। लेटर आफ्टर सेकेंड राउंड मॉकअप राउंड ये थोड़ा सा कट ऑफ नीचे आएगा सर।
लेकिन दिस ईयर बायोलॉजी कुछ जरा हार्ड आया।
हाँ, no, not hard. One question from zoology is still controversial. That's I have already mentioned. Question number 158. So we have to wait till the final answer की जो release करेगा NDA. Then we can assure you what would be the cutoff marks.
आपने जो अभी जो प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च किया है, ये प्रोडक्ट खाली आकाश के स्टूडेंट के लिए या अदर स्टूडेंट के लिए,
So
और
for-
इसका कॉपीराइट भी कैसा रहेगा?
So for now this is exclusively for Akasian only. जो हमारे रेगुलर क्लासरूम कोर्स के बच्चे हैं, अभी हम सिर्फ उनको वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं। बट क्योंकि ये एक बहुत ही यूनिक फीचर्स वाला मतलब हमारा जो सर्विस है, तो हम इसको अगले 3 से 4 महीने में कोशिश कर जो नॉन आकाशियन है, जो बाहर के बच्चे हैं, उनके लिए भी ये सर्विस प्रोवाइड करेंगे। बट अगेन दिस इज फ्री फॉर आकाशियन, बट दैट वुड बी चार्जेबल फॉर ऑल अदर स्टूडेंट अदर देन आकाशियन।
आकाश में कितने स्टूडेंट्स रजिस्टर है गोवा में से?
If you want to answer this question.
So total both branches मिला के and 3 study center, so somewhere 1500 plus.
1500. So again, this product is a result of a very hard work of our R&D team. So you will be amazed to know that approximately 3 years time has been invested for this product. So मतलब I hope कि ये I am fully confident कि जो हमारा ये product है वो हमारे बच्चों के लिए मतलब एक बोन होगा, और बच्चे हमारे इस चीज़ का फायदा उठाकर नीट और जो हमारा 11th और 12th जो बोर्ड के लिए है वहाँ पर बच्चे मैक्सिमम बेनिफिट ले पाएंगे।
सर ये बुक रिलीज होने के बाद आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या रहेगी, मतलब रिजल्ट के बारे में?
So what our expectation from our student is just go to website, go to our Akash app, वहाँ पर क्लिक करें, और एक पूरा प्रोसेस हमने बच्चों को समझा रखा है कि what should be the right way to use this app. मतलब again as this is multi-sensory, जो as I have already explained, कि we have to use our study package, at the same time we have to listen what has been podcasted by the audio prep, and through both of them the student have this is my advice, कि student have to make their notes and they have to revise from them again and again. So this will certainly improve their marks as far as NEET is concerned.
How much is this audio prep going to cost?
So it's completely free of cost for our internal students for now.